Okay, now we will cover four commands that are used for visualize the massive data in the form of like pagination type. If you have a long list file, then you will see that you will can't see at a time. You want to see the top, you want to see the bottom. If you want to see the page by page, line by line, then how can you read the file? There are four commands: head, tail, more, and less. Okay, one by one we will practical them. Head command. What head command do? By typing head, just a second. By typing head, give the file name, that is file. By entering, it will show some starting command lines of the file. If you want to see the first two lines, then you will give head -2. It shows first two lines. If you want to see the first 10 lines, then it shows 10 lines. Okay, same like this tail command work. It will show the bottom of the file by using tail command. Give file name. It shows the last lines of the file. If you want to see the specific number of lines, means if you want to see the 5 lines, it shows 5 lines. Okay, after this there is a command more. More is used to see the file in the form of page like this. It shows the 10% of the file by hitting space, next 10%, then 12%, like this. It shows till end by hitting space. If you want to see the line by line, then you will press enter. It shows next line, next line, next line. Okay, say you can also use page up down, but it not work in this command. It's the fault of this command. It not support up, means previous page. If do not shows you previous page, it only works for forward side. Okay, press Q for exit. Now the last and best command is less command. Less file, same like more. It shows the data by hitting space. It shows next page, next 10 20 10 to 12 13% of the file. Okay, by pressing up arrow, it shows the it goes to backward side by pressing up arrow, and pressing down arrow, it shows the next line, like pressing enter, same like pressing enter. Page up down also work for this by pressing space. Okay, and press Q for exit. Thank you.